Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade split pea soup. First, let's talk about preparing your peas. Soaking split peas is a crucial step, ideally for 8 hours or even overnight. This process significantly reduces their cooking time and helps them become wonderfully tender. Remember to rinse them well before and after soaking to ensure they are perfectly clean and ready for your soup pot. Next, we build the foundational flavors for our soup. In a large pot, sauté 1 cup of diced onions, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 cup of celery in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, introduce a smoked ham hock or about 1 pound of diced ham. This adds an incredible smoky, savory dimension that is essential for classic split pea soup. Cook it for a few minutes to really get those flavors going. Now it's time to bring everything together for a long, gentle simmer. Add your soaked and rinsed split peas to the pot with the sautéed vegetables and ham. Pour in 8 cups of good quality chicken or vegetable broth. Bring the entire mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for 1 to 2 hours, or until the peas are completely tender and the soup has thickened to your desired consistency. Stir occasionally to keep it from sticking. Finally, for the finishing touches, if you used a ham hock, carefully remove it from the pot, shred the delicious meat from the bone, and return it to the soup. Season your split pea soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme to enhance its earthy flavors. Taste and adjust as needed. Serve your homemade split pea soup piping hot, perhaps with a slice of crusty bread, for a truly satisfying and wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.